Welcome back to a new video, guys. The reason I haven't been posting in the weekend is because I've been staying at my after school, sleeping over. I usually go there. So I don't know how to explain, but this is an unboxing video for a smoke alarm I bought at a store yesterday. I actually already have this kind. This is actually the first ever smoke alarm I got from a store. So let's open it up. I haven't opened it up yet because I wasn't allowed to do it there. So anyway, here it is. So let's just get the plastic off. And for your information, the model on this thing is KD-134A. I'm gonna say it slowly. KD-134A. So here's just some information cards. Here's the mounting tools. I'm gonna pause it while I try to get the bracket off. Okay, so now my mom has helped me get the bracket off. And here's the battery that comes with it. So let's open it up. Imagine if my other smoke alarm would go off while I'm recording this. I was just trying to rip off the plastic. It's not as easy as it may seem, to be that honest. It's actually kind of difficult for me to get it off. So now the plastic is starting to get off a bit more. So now the plastic is off. Well, I'm just gonna try to take the cable out of here. So now I'm going to connect the battery to here. So, oh, there it flashed. And at the same time, my other smoke alarm just flashed. So now the batteries. I'm going to put it back in here. Okay, it doesn't really want to get in. It's not. It does really not want to get in properly. But anyway, let's try to connect this. Whatever the heck I do now. I don't remember how to get it on, sorry. Okay, so guys, now I just wanted to ask my mom if I was supposed to get it in. Now I just have to see it. Now it seems to be on. So now I'm gonna put my volume warning because now I'm gonna test it and see what it sounds. For reference, this is what my older one sounds like. See what this one sounds like. It sounds differently. Sounds the same. Anyway, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos from me. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.